Good day mga ka-freelancers and thank you for your interest in becoming one of the very first freelancers dito sa Allworks mobile app. So ngayon in this series, kayo mga freelancers, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano mag-sign up, paano mag-create ng profile, paano mag-accept ng booking, and overall, this is just a free guide kung paano maging isang effective freelancer. Pag-uusapan din natin in this series, ano yung mga gagawin nyo para hindi kayo ma-penalty, paano hindi kayo ma-ban, how to improve your rating, paano kayo magkakaroon ng magandang review, and many more. So the first step guys, kailangan nyo munang i-download yung app natin. Ito po yung logo natin, yung Allworks. Available po siya for Android and iOS. So once you download that, you wanna sign up as a freelancer. So click lang po natin yung sign up. Ayan. So kung makikita nyo po sa screen dito, meron po tayong three type of users. Meron tayong customer, freelancer, and affiliate. So in this video, you are signing up as a freelancer or a service provider. Okay? So click lang po natin yung freelancer or company. So magsa-sign up po tayo, libre lang naman po mag-sign up. So gagawa lang po tayo ng demo account, okay? So Sarah Jane Cruz. Then, so you must register on a real email and real phone kasi meron pong OTP na mase-send sa inyo. So hindi nyo po mabe-verify yung account nyo kung hindi nyo po yan isi-send sa app. Okay? So since this is just a dummy account, bilisan lang po natin para hindi kayo ma-bored. Okay, yung affiliate code guys, you can leave this blank kung wala naman po nag-refer sa inyo. Okay? Service city, your current city, saan po kayo nakatira ngayon? So for example, nakatira ako sa Makati. Example naman. So service location, ano po yung mga city na gusto nyong i-service? So I'm going to sign up as Sarah Jane Cruz and isa po akong massage therapist. Okay? So all city and then I'm just going to use other options and choose my own password. Okay. Now, go back to your email and then you have to enter your OTP. Okay? So enter ko lang po yung OTP ko. Okay, so ang OTP natin is 9416. Okay? Once we enter yung OTP, ayan na po, manghihingi na po yung app ng document natin. We need at least valid ID and a selfie na hawak nyo po yung valid ID nyo. Kasi we are very strict dito sa Allworks. Ayaw namin na may mag-sign up lang ng kung sino-sino or hindi naman pala totoong tao. Okay? So iniiwasan din naman natin yung mga tao na nababan na sa ibang app just like, Grab, Lalamove, Transportify. So lahat po 'yon, I'm sure yung may mga na-ban po do'n baka kasi mag-apply po dito. So we need your identification. So I'm just going to upload, going to click done. So guys, meron yan button na skip. So pag in-skip nyo po 'yon, makikita nyo pa rin naman po yung loob ng app, pero hindi po kayo makakapag-create ng service. You can browse the app, pero hindi po kayo makakapag-create ng service, hindi po kayo puwedeng i-book hanggang mabe-verify po yung profile niyo. So makikita niyo po diyan, you should receive an email within 24 to 48 hours kasi kailangan niyo pong ma-orient po live. Kailangan makausap po kayo ng ating orientation manager para mai-guide po kayo ng mas malawak dito sa video na 'to. So, okay. So meron pong, okey. Now, this is very important dito kasi magke-create kayo ng profile niyo, kailangan po yung profile na gagawin niyo malinis at magandang tignan, okay? Kasi ito po yung makikita ng client, eh. So, wag po kayo mag-a-upload ng mga blurred picture, you know. So, this one, since this is Sarah Jane Cruz, kumuha po ako ng some random images lang sa Google and then this is going to be my profile photo just for sample. And for example, si Sarah Jane Cruz is isang massage therapist. So, certified Makati province, Metro Manila, and then choose ko lang is Makati. Okay, so as of today po, 2024, I'm recording this June, we are operating in Metro Manila, but we're going to expand also nationwide slowly. Okay? So experience ko, let's say 5 years. Okay, and then I'm going to click done. Okay, and this time, dito sa ad schedule, kayo po mamimili kung anong day nyo gustong magtrabaho or anong days lang kayo available na pwedeng i-book ng mga client natin. So, ako gusto ko magtrabaho lang 1 PM hanggang click nyo po yung natin time hanggang 7 PM. Yan. At gusto ko lang magtrabaho Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. Ibig sabihin, yung mga days po na hindi naka-click diyan, hindi po tayo maibo ni client. Okay? So, click ko lang po yung next. And dito, mag-a-upload tayo ng certificate. Kung may certificate po tayo sa TESDA at kung ano po yung certificate nyo, yung mga work experience nyo, pwede nyo pong ilagay dito kasi makikita po ito ni client pag binisita po yung profile nyo. Okay? So, maglalagay lang po ako ng dummy cert dito. Okay? Choose. And pwede nyo rin pong skip. Okay? Kung wala po yung certificate. So, eto na po yung itsura, no, ng profile natin on our side. Kaya lang, siyempre, hindi po ito yung itsura ng profile nyo sa client side. Hindi po ganito. Okay? So, next video, ipapakita ko po sa inyo kung paano naman po mag-create ng service. Okay? So, I'll see you next video.